Today I will tell you how to make proper healthy oil-free air-fried chicken, which is very healthy, crunchy and juicy in texture and taste. So we will take a bowl and take a 500-gram fresh chicken. After that, we add 2 to 3 spoons of ginger garlic paste for marination. Then we add half teaspoon of salt. You can add salt according to your taste. Then we will add red chili powder, almost half teaspoon. Next we will add haldi powder, same half teaspoon. After that we will add 1 teaspoon coriander powder, and then we will mix all masala with chicken properly with spoon. Now you can see our chicken should be proper marinated with all masalas. You can see our chicken marinate properly. After that we will add 2 teaspoons of refined oil. Little bit we will add only for now mix it again with spoon. After that we will add 1 piece lemon juice. Lemon juice we will add in the marinated chicken. Then mix properly. Again mix it. In the end, we add some kitchen king powder for the taste. Little bit kitchen powder we will add. And mix again. Now you can see our chicken marinated properly. Now keep in the fridge at least 1 hour for the rest. We are using a pigeon air fryer for frying the chicken. Now we will preheat air fryer at 200-degree temperature for 10 minutes. Now we take a fryer bucket, remove from the air fryer. Then we grease the bucket surface with the refined oil, little bit refined oil apply on the surface. Before putting the chicken, we should grease the surface. After that, we will put all marinated chicken in the bucket. Now time to put a bucket in the air fryer for fry the chicken. It will take 12 to 15 minutes for the proper air fried. We set the timing for the 12 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes we will check. Open the air fryer bucket. Now you can see our chicken almost done, properly fried and looks amazing. Now time to remove chicken in the plate. We take a plate and remove all fried chicken in the plate. Now you can see all pieces are very crispy, looks very crispy, tender and juicy. You can see the healthy chicken. For more recipes, will follow us.